Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and then you have to find parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your child's password. Then click I agree. Now click accept and click on supervise. Now click on next, and here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now click on next again and click done. And as you can see, my parental control is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.